I post daily on Instagram, make YouTube videos weekly, run a program with 100 people in it, go to uni every day, and still meditate, read, journal, hit the treadmill, work out, and hang out with friends. You can too. The false shortage of time. You have more time than you think. The problem? You're wasting time while trying to be productive. That 4-hour deep work session, you're working 45 minutes and just scrolling TikTok the rest. Those all-day business work? Stretching 3 minutes into 2 hours and working on changing the font of your post. Close your open loops. Unpaid bills, unfinished conversations, tasks you said you'd do, these drain your mental energy silently. They pile up as invisible baggage. Every time you see an opportunity to close one, do it immediately. Free yourself. If you use social media like Discord, Instagram, make sure to set a time for it, and don't open it first thing in the morning, as it opens unclosed loops in your brain, which then slowly sap away at your mental energy. Have a policy with friends to have a closed-ended conversations without them leaving it on read or stretching it to days. The calendar lie. A packed calendar doesn't equal productivity. Productivity is results at month's end, not hours worked. Apply Parkinson's law. A task expands to fill the time you give it. Cut that time, move faster, execute immediately. Optimize the minutes. Don't just plan in hours, track what happens between in the minute. Preparation saves hours. I use my Levelife OS system to prepare for the entire day in 10 minutes, saving myself hours daily. Focus on high-leverage quests. Don't meditate for 60 minutes, meditate for 2. Don't read 100 pages, read 10. Focus on the real work, which will actually move the needle towards your goals. Not stuff that makes you feel productive, but which doesn't actually move the needle of progress. 4. Quiet hour phenomenon. Spend 30 minutes doing absolutely nothing. Go for a walk, stare at the sky, breathe, and just think. This clarity is the most productive thing you can do. You can't optimize what isn't clear. Stop being busy and start being effective. If you want to turn self-improvement into an addiction, then watch this video.